Hello,
Hi Anshi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm all good. I was just saying that let's wait for a few more minutes
Yeah,
so
we
that
can
other
make.
people can join us and then we can start.
Yeah, definitely we can do that.
Yeah. So, how was your day till then?
Oh, it was pretty good.
That's
Different but
great.
very good, I must say.
Different, how?
Different from the normal routine, probably.
Okay, all right.
What about you?
That's good. I had a normal quarantine day. Just stuck with family, playing games, enjoying, having fun.
But that's something that you might not have it after this quarantine.
Totally, I so agree. Everyone's gonna be so busy in their lives.
Oh
So
yes,
I don't, yeah,
absolutely.
that's
And the thing is, no, family is the only thing that we spend the least these days. So I feel that this is the right time to bond with parents, brothers, sisters, cousins, everyone.
yes, that's right.
That's very true.
Okay, so I would like to introduce everybody. This is Anshi. She's Anshi Rathod, and
Hello.
she's an ophthalmologist, that is an eye doctor.
Yeah.
And she's a very clever girl, creative, and super, super talented.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome, welcome to this live chat. This is my first chat, and I want everybody's response to it. Please let me know how we are going, and how we are gonna go ahead with first impression, the topic for today. Okay.
Thank you so much. Well, it is very much my first live chat too.
Oh,
So
that's great.
yeah, but I feel this is very fun. It's something very interactive and everyone can join. And I feel it's a very great way to communicate with everybody.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I would like to start with asking you one question about how's quarantine been so productive for you?
Well, I'll tell you very frankly, quarantine has been very different, but so far so great.
Okay.
Um, I am in a medical field, so I would say I joined medicine in 2010, and then since 2010 till date, I have had no breaks. I
Oh my
literally mean by
God.
no breaks.
That is
And
like 10 years?
yeah, that is 10 years. And of course, not
Wow.
forgetting 10th and 11th and 12th. So makes it 3 more years. So,
Okay.
you know, it has been very different for me because I have never had a time off. But to be very on a very brighter side, it has given me a lot of time to invest in myself, to invest in those hobbies that I have left because of my career, my education.
Yeah, that's
And
right.
also, and today's world, it has given me a lot of mental space in my head to think, to strategically plan about my career, my hospital, the what
Yeah.
after lockdown. So
Yes,
I've got all
exactly. I think
those.
everyone is thinking, what after lockdown?
Yeah,
How
and
much
I
we
think this
are
is
to that?
the best time to strategize and plan out whatever you want to do, how you will go ahead with it, because you can't build a house in a day. You have to go through the foundation.
Yes, that's
So
right.
yeah, so giving that a lot of time.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think let's just jump on our topic, first impression.
Yes.
So I would like to ask you, do you really think that first impression matters?
Firstly, I tell you, if I go on a literal meaning of what a first impression is, it's about what opinions you have about somebody.
Yeah, right.
But the fact is that it happens at a very subconscious level. Before even you consciously attempt to have an impression about something, your mind has popped you up with all those impression about and opinions about that person.
Yes, that's
So
right.
definitely, I think it matters. And how it matters is because we live in a very competitive environment today. uh, we are all in a race. We are very fast. We live in a very competitive environment. So either you make a good impression or a bad impression, or have an impression about somebody, really matters.
Yes,
um,
that's true.
yeah, I'll give you one example. See, I'm an ophthalmologist, and we deal with a lot of patients.
Yeah,
Now
I
there
think
are hundreds
stands.
of,
Yeah.
yeah, and there are hundreds of ophthalmologists in Ahmedabad itself. Okay, so I'll tell you that patients have the privilege to choose which doctor they want to go to, and most of the ophthalmologists are very skilled, you know.
Yes.
But does skill only matter is a question mark. You know, when a patient enters, he sees the doctor and he sees what personality the doctor has, a pleasant personality, the way a doctor talks, the way a doctor communicates, the way a doctor would greet, you know, all these things, and even how well they are dressed. You know,
Yes,
these
totally.
things really matter to a patient. And what
This week,
patient,
yeah, I would just like to interrupt this. I
yeah,
can recall that, there's a 7-Eleven rule that
okay.
whenever people see you in first 11, like in first 7 seconds, they make 11 decisions about yourself.
Oh, wow. I
Like
didn't know
what I
about
see,
that.
what I notice about you, I make 11 decisions after that. Like
Well,
after the
I
first time I
actually
meet
didn't know
you.
this.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yes.
Yeah, so you know, I think these things really play a very important role. And what, see, a patient would see me, and what they see about me is their visual impression. They
Yes.
will go out and tell 10 other people. That becomes your verbal impression. And 10 people will go out and tell 100 more people. So
Yes.
I feel it really helps you build your career, your business, your personality. So I really find that having a very good impression and working on it is very mandatory.
Yeah, that's right. So you really think that first impression does matter a lot?
Yeah, I personally definitely feel
Yeah,
so.
and I think few patients or everybody, we would be giving a positive and a negative impressions at times. Because
Absolutely.
what if we have a rough morning that day, or what if we are going through stress? I mean,
Oh,
nobody
yes.
knows what's going on inside us, but we still have to create a good image in
Oh,
front of
yes.
everybody.
And I tell you, Jai Devi, that most of the people can sense if you're having a bad day. They can
Yes,
sense.
totally. By your vibes that you
Oh,
give
yes.
and the way you talk,
you
right?
you know, your personality from pleasant just becomes a little unpleasant, and that is very well evident.
Yes, that's so true. And do you judge people while you like meet them for the first time?
Oh,
I
well,
think everyone would be doing that.
yeah, I it would be absolutely wrong if I say that no, I don't judge people on basis of their first impression.
Yeah.
But yes, I do, but it's a mixture. It's a yes, it's a no. You know, judging somebody is a very referral thing. You know, what may
Yeah.
appear right to me may appear wrong to you, and vice versa. So it's a very it's a reference based thing. So I'll give an example. Like, we're in a party, and we happen to see or meet somebody completely unknown. All
Yeah.
right, so it's natural, it's human tendency that, oh, we are having some impression in our mind about those people.
Yes.
But judging has not happened yet until something that he does or she does, which is absolutely wrong to me, which may be right
Okay.
to him, but absolutely wrong to me.
To you,
So
yeah.
I may judge. Or which is absolutely wonderful. Oh my God, he's done so great. Then also I'll judge him in a good way. So I
Yeah.
feel that judging is a very referral based thing.
Yes, that's really true, really true. I mean, but still, for the first time when we see somebody, there is a judgment in us that, okay,
I do.
yes, she is a
Yeah,
nice
definitely.
person, she's not a nice person. Is she approachable or not?
Yeah.
That
I mean, you
really
know,
matters with your facial expressions too.
yeah. And it actually even decides whether you want to meet that person the second time or not. You know,
Yeah, that's true.
so I
That's
feel that most of us do. I mean, there would be a rarity if somebody doesn't.
Yes, totally. So, do you think that we have a different what is first impressions in personal life, in professional life, or in social life?
I'll tell you something. A personality remains the same. You know, the basic personality of a person does
Yes,
remain the same. What changes is your behavior towards situations. Whether you're with your friends, you're going to behave differently. You're with your family, you're going to behave differently. When
that's
you're in your professional, you're in your work, you're going to behave differently. So I feel they are all different sides of the same personality. But what really matters is balancing out all those three things, and sticking to the basic nature of your personality.
Yeah, I think that we make friends as per on first impressions.
Yeah,
Because how do
we
you
do.
choose friends? Like, how do you start talking to people? They are all strangers to you at the first time.
There is two things I have to confess, I judge people on basis of two things, especially when it comes on whom to be very good friends with. You can make friends, you can make thousands and millions of friends, that is fine, but
Yeah.
choosing really close friends is a very difficult part. And I really feel that a person who is kind and compassionate, I feel those people can never go wrong. And those who are really kind, compassionate, and when there is humility, you always have, you can see that person's face and you can say, oh, they have a very pleasant personality,
Yeah.
and you can never go wrong with them.
Yeah, it's just like having good intentions with
Yeah.
everybody.
And let's
If I
see.
just go being jealous about people, like, oh, look at the way she's dressing, or look at the way she's carrying her purse or walking around, then
Okay,
that's
yeah.
just going to be our mindset about judging people every time.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So, when there is a person who's really genuine, you can see it through. There is no question mark behind it.
Okay, then I must be very genuine to you. What is my first
Oh,
impression when you
I
saw
know you.
me?
I clearly remember me meeting you at your place for the first time, and
Through
I'll
our
tell you, like,
parents, they
yeah,
had a get
I
together.
know we must thank our parents for that. You know,
Yeah.
So I clearly remember that the time you walked in, you had a very pleasant and a calm personality. And I told you that there are three things that can never go wrong in judging a person. That is humility, compassion, and kindness. I think that is beautiful. And the minute you walked in, I was like, okay, she has a very good, pleasant personality. And the second minute when you greeted and the way you were talking to us, it was like a very comfortable atmosphere that you built, that you created. So I was sure that, oh, I'm not wrong with this girl.
That's right. When I recall about me meeting you for the first time, it
Yeah.
was like totally a blast. I thought you might be very soft-hearted and very, you were calm. Like, yes, you were. You didn't spoke much that time, but then slowly and gradually, you threw so many jokes around and made it so comfortable with people that I'm like, okay, she's really fun to be with.
Oh, yeah. I just
Yeah.
take I'm a little reserved initially, but
Yeah,
then
but
I'm
then once you
absolutely
know,
comfortable.
yeah, that's
That's
right.
true. Because when I meet a person, there are 10,000 things that run in my mind. Okay, fine. Do I need to invest
Exactly.
more? Should I just keep it till here? This, that, it's just the
That's good. Yeah.
impressions that flow in your mind.
Yeah. So first impression do count.
Oh,
That's
for me
how
it does.
we've sailed through this journey of our friendship,
Oh,
I think.
yes, absolutely.
Just because of
I
the first
second that.
impression. Yeah.
I second that.
Yeah. That's good. Okay. So I would like to ask you one more question.
Yeah.
That is like, do you know how can I be beneficial, or can you give me some more tips about making people understand their first impressions?
Uh, I really personally feel that how a person would have an impression about themselves is utmostly important than anything else. If you don't feel good about yourself, if you're not comfortable in within your skin,
Yeah.
then you're not absolutely going to give a very good impression to others also. So I think before even thinking or worrying what people will think about you or what they carry in their mind about you, it's very important to be at a peace with yourself and to
This
acknowledge yourself.
Okay. This brings me to pop you another question.
Okay.
Since you're going through a weight loss journey,
Oh,
you've done
yeah.
a commendable job. Like, I'm so proud of you that you've lost
Thank
so
you.
many 40 kgs,
Yeah.
right? Or
Yeah.
more, way more to go.
No, 40 is good.
Yeah, so way more to go, but that's
Yeah.
excellent. So how did you feel comfortable in your own skin when you were so heavy
See,
or like?
I have to very firstly admit the fact that ever since my teenage and my childhood, I have been an obese child, and nothing would motivate me to lose weight. I'm telling you, absolutely nothing motivated.
Food
And
was love.
so at that time I realized that I was very comfortable and confident in my own skin. Nothing broke me, nothing would bother me. I wouldn't think about what people would think about me. And the second thing is that I never even doubted myself or my abilities. I was absolutely very much confident in my own skin. So I knew somewhere in my mind that, I might not give a good impression to somebody until I have spoken to that person.
Yeah.
So, maybe on the basis of the look, I might not give a good
Yeah,
impression.
just because of the appearance, you
Yeah.
might not be approachable.
Yeah, probably that was this.
Okay.
But today things are very different for me. I have come to this conclusion that what I feel about myself is more important. And when I came to that conclusion, I realized that I wanted to lose weight for myself. And today things are different. I don't even think what people will judge me. It doesn't matter. Will not judge me. Doesn't matter. But I'm still very confident with my skin. I'm still very happy. And in fact, I think that the fitness is more for me rather than what people would think.
Exactly.
So
Yes.
that brings me to this point that, having your own impression for yourself, with yourself, is also very important.
I second that. But I would say like there was a difference when in your appearance and how people approach. Like, do you think that people are more friendlier to you now than before?
I absolutely agree with it.
Or do you get more attention from there than
Oh,
before?
absolutely. There is no doubt about it.
Okay.
Today's generation is what we are living in, a very fast, rapid generation, but definitely these things really matter because how being 120 kilos then was a big thing. So,
Yes.
it's of course a big change from that side to this side in a year. So definitely
But
perspectives
then what
change.
did sorry, but what did you like think about? Like what motivated you to lose so much of weight after that?
Absolutely nothing motivated me. I just hit the gym one day. I just went there to the gym. And the minute I came out of the gym, I was like, oh, this makes me very happy. Let me go the next day. Then I went the third day, then fourth day, 1 month,
And
and 2 months.
you
And 2 months
started
later,
enjoying it.
yeah, 2 months later, I saw the difference, and the minute I saw the difference, I got so motivated that I would invest around like 1.5 hours a day. And today in this quarantine, I almost invest 3 hours a day, 1 hour in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. So it just keeps
You
you
are
going.
utilizing the best time ever, I think.
Oh yeah, absolutely, no doubt about it. And that's why I'm saying I'm enjoying it.
Yes, totally. It's so beneficial for you.
Absolutely.
That's good. I think everyone is going to be proud of that when you
Oh,
are achieving it. But I swear, when you meet your friends and your relatives, you're just going to say, "Oh my God, look at this!" Like,
absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. The
You're
thing
going to
is,
get so many compliments. Just be ready to receive them and fire back one by one.
oh yes, absolutely, absolutely. And the thing is, when you stand in front of the mirror, you like yourself more, and I think that is
Exactly.
also very important.
So that is part of my job.
Oh yes,
That day,
absolutely.
on call, we were talking about like what will I do? How is it related to my field?
Yeah,
So yeah, so that's like I'm here to improve everybody, whoever my client is, their appearance, their confidence, how to talk, how to walk, how to be more approachable and more professional in life.
oh yes,
Or like what
absolutely,
etiquettes, like food etiquettes, social etiquettes, manners, everything.
absolutely.
So,
I agree.
yeah. So that's how, I'm going to build confidence in people. And you are a live example. You don't even need an image consultant right now.
Well, but I always have fun when I need.
That's right. I think you'll soon need it while you go for shopping after your weight
Oh,
loss, after
oh
this
yeah.
lockdown.
Can't wait for it. Can't really wait.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
All right. And do you have anything else to tell my viewers about you or about this topic?
Oh, nothing. I think Jai Devi has really helped me through. So, Jai Devi and I used to go for walks in the evening
Yeah.
in our society, and we would just keep on talking. And trust me, she's a very good motivator. She would motivate me to another level, and that really helps. Little small things in life really make a bigger picture at the at the end of the tunnel. So I really have to
That's
thank you for that.
great. No, not at all. That's how I am.
Oh yeah,
Like,
that I
yeah.
do agree with you.
Yeah, and it's like no efforts. I just keep on motivating people, whoever I talk to or whoever I meet, so that it's just about positivity, spreading more energy, more positivity around.
But that looks on your face, that is seen through your face.
That's
You always. I have never seen you on a dull day. Even if it's a dull day, you have shown up very
yes,
nicely.
that
So
yes,
I
exactly.
commendable.
That's why I've chosen the best profession for me now.
I agree with you.
Yes, that's great. Okay, it was so good to have you on my first live chat.
Thank
And
you. Same here.
you're always gonna be special to me because it's my first time for you and for me both. But I'm gonna